Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to improve respiratory illness with pine syrup. The environment is important. Due to cold, humidity, dust, tobacco favor the onset of the disease. At the beginning, there is a dry and continuous cough, a small expectoration and little fever. 2 to 3 days later, the cough becomes fatty. Healing is achieved in about a week. Recurrences are still possible. Natural remedies are quite suitable for treating respiratory ailments. They must respond to the 2 signs of the disease, facilitate sputum and fight infection. Pine buds are known to relieve ailments of the respiratory system, thanks to the balsamic resins they contain. For that you need 60 grams of syrup of Scots pine buds, 50 milliliters of brandy, half liter of boiling water, sugar. Let the pine bud macerate in brandy for 1 hour. Add boiling water, then let stand overnight. Filter, check the weight, then add the same weight of sugar. Heat in a double boiler, stirring, until obtaining a syrupy consistency. Let cool and put in a bottle. Then take 2 to 3 tablespoons per day. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses.